Oh, this is Risky Simjo. Ngisilikiwe impahla lona. Mngabani isithuko. Majeke umthombo udluntsha. Onoqhaza ke bona. Ayabona ngiyama nobhuti manapha. Ikhuluma manje endala. I respect him so much only because so far like in our community baninzi abantu esibahloniphayo. Siyabahlonipha kakhulu abantu abadala but like ungomnye wabantu yena akakafikeleli nakwi-age engako isikakhulu yabo but umdala kum but ndingatsho mani ndithi kwale nto yobudala it's not about i-age but it's definitely maturing and understanding uba kobo bomi awuzange uzophilayo wedwa so ndiunderstande ndafunda loo nto kuyo uba ayingomntu yena oziceleleyo uba ufuna uphila yedwa komhlaba and that's why ufuna uthatha le position afuna uyithatha not for him but for the people zininzi into esizawuthetha ngazo ngoku and most importantly we want to share our experiences and we want to share our goals and dreams and siyahopa kuwo wonke umuntu obukele le video naye has the same goals and the same dreams and the same wishes as we have, you know, especially uba usuke elokishini because usuke elokishini sonke engosini naye angazi-introducer kodwa ngehlobo lakhe ngiyamhlonipha uGreg.
That was a very, very warm welcome.
Ndiyavuya man,
Very warm, very warm. Molweni, igama lami nguLukhani Mkhongo. Better known as LLC. Now maninzi kamagama endaziwa ngawo. Kodwa now I prefer to operate okanye ndincokole as uLukhani Mkhongo, the founder of Scenery Park Progressive Youth Initiative. An independent candidate on the upcoming local government elections. Ndiyavuya namuba lapha mnakwethu sike siqhubekeke sincokole. You know, as an artist, we've directed a lot of things, so
Yeah,
you know, we've
cool.
spoken about this, but you're one of the people who inspire me a bit
Yeah.
in the community. You're one of the people abandinike amandla wokunyamezela mnakwethu yabo. So I'm also happy to be here. Molweni nakuni nonke. I hope that this conversation namhlanje is about progressive or it will live into apha kuni nani.
Ndiyabulela mkhuzo ngalo masi, ndiyabulela kakhulu. Like first of all, before we move forward to ezinye questions about what I really want to know is that like I feel like kumne like you can take the same position with leadership noba uthathe iposition yobu-chief noba uthathe iposition yoba i-ward councillor or any type of leadership.
Yeah.
But I believe when it comes to leaders, yabona zonke leaders ne-perspectives zazo is different.
Yeah.
Yabo azina perspective iyi-one. So in your perspective of in leadership,
Yeah.
well, I want to ask this question. It's like, kudala ngafuna uyibuza ke le question ngomama. Like I feel like the questions as just deserve a space as right.
Yeah,
They're on a
yeah.
platform right, which is now.
Yeah.
We have our own platform because this is not my platform. This is our platform.
platform,
Yeah,
yeah.
but it's same as Umlobugele and I. If you want to voice a certain thing, they can hit me up. We can. Nomno funa ubuze imibuzo engapha kwazibeni lazasifumana ku
Yeah.
uzasifumana. So basically, this question, Iji Romani, in your perspective of leadership, what's a great leader to you?
That's easy, bruh.
Yeah.
A great leader is one who creates other leaders. A great leader, bruh, is the one who creates followers, bruh. Because once a leader is so the movement effect. Bruh. So you need to be able, effectiveness yako as a leader is how many leaders you create, bruh. So you need to be able to not only gain power but be able to share power nabantu. You need to be able to govern nabanye abantu,
Okay.
because xa uleader funekanga uthwale wonke umthwalo. So that's a good leader. So a good leader listens. First and foremost, a good leader listens. Don't othanda uthetha but ndiyifundile loo nto leyo bra. Ixesha means that when you're a leader you have to listen more than uthetha, because xa uthetha ukhupha information more than ingena and so uyazi uba abantu bafuna ntoni. So for me, you need to be able to create leaders. You need to be able to listen. Yeah. So basically for me, my leadership should be not a top-down thing where you decide or you rule over people, but more of you are able to put together opinions zabantu bonke abalapha and come up with a solution that will be beneficial for umuntu. So leader is someone who serves aba bantu abaledayo. Leadership bro, responsibility bra. Ayo zathina ayonyweba bra, responsibility bra, yeah bra.
So like if umuntu one great purpose, not even the purpose yakhe yedwa, but it should concern also the people.
Ingxaki once uyichasele wedwa ube uzothila nabantu, then uzawuqalisa ubona abantu bengxaki kanti ingxaki kuwe because uchasela wena, uyabo. So as much as it's in human nature to be selfish, to want to put yourself first, but so succeed as a leader if you put your own needs first. Uyabo, uzawufailure more than uzawusucceed.
Okay.
Yeah. So you need to know what you are in for. You need abantu who are managers at work. They will tell you, but hey, what can you do with floor?
Yeah.
When you manage, I have to account.
Yeah.
I need to think through this. You know,
it's not really about you. It's not really about your position.
Yeah. I that position prior. Now, is this kind of yabo leadership bra ayona belungene nje bra yabo that's why
ngiyomkhule ngazo ngixaka that's why I trust you people, that's why I trust you, because at the end of the day, like nabantu abafuni umuntu abazambeka pha and then babone ba hey kudala simposelinessly akakwazi umkherisha akakwazi umbeka emagcele. So is there anything you want to ask from your greatest rep?
Yeah, no, bro. Okay, but I'm then I'm familiar qualification also.
Yeah.
Like Sakala, it's the first time and never seen
it's bigger than that.
Yeah, but it's now. Woman sent it in the summer. Now, where do we know? Bandi, big fan, yeah, I'm peeling upon the risk, I'm peeling upon the risk. But okay, what I want to understand from when, as you make someone else, after metric, you decided, to pursue a school or pursue a career as currently, but you're gonna stick to your talent. To what you put it. And wawungazange wabona mntu around wena esucceeda ngalanto leyana before. Uyabo? Let alone leyo relative nzazi ngivile zana saske savele ka documentary muska kamafa. But what made you take that decision? And njengoba ithatha that decision leyana i-regrets zikuthina endleleni yakho yabo and ngoku zawubuza imibuzo mithu namaxesha leni. Then how do you check yourself up? Did I make the right decision or not?
Okay. See, two other questions.
That's
okay, that's balance. Okay. You asked about the
that decision,
journey and the decision I took. So basically, I feel like umpaso kwamla grade 12, even before umpaso grade 12, that same year, I feel like I was going through a lot for mine, like family-wise, even when it comes to relationships, it's like, even habits, it was hard for me to move away from the habits still. Some habits and these was up, but this is also like kusela, or drinking a lot, It's not the position of man, so if I'm not saying position, but yasela, command, and I'm still grateful for abantu abaninzi abayazi the fact that so abuse utywala. Because I'm going ngendlela bad, but people don't know that shit. Most people don't know that shit. Only people who really love me and people who be with me the whole day, every day, abayazi, because I don't get to, I can go attached to ebantwini kakhulu. So basically, a decision yoba okay. My tatas are gap year, I can't even call it a gap year now. Same minyaka. So I think the energy, the fumana wichata can yoba take a decision. Yoba okay, let me follow this music thing. And we land in a poems and then I land okay, let me see if it's gonna happen or not. I know then I'm taking this decision. And I feel like eyona way ndinayipractice kakhulu apha ebomini like solidarity. Yabo. Then ndabona uba from okay abanye abantu baphumelela eli hlobo. Okay, uNesty C naye wabethu grade 12 wakhe waphumelela eli hlobo asayo. But it's like what I told myself is that I won't wait for no one. Let alone waiting for other opportunities esuka kwabanye abantu izazenzekela lo. Let me just start over. Qale ngalamakhe anokuzukileyo Roman ngekho grade abantu xa ndiyikhuphayo baqonde asawurekhoda ngalento say quality lejo. Because it's not about what you use, it's not about the materialistic type of things. Like it's about like uthemba wena and also utrust uThixo wakho within you. Ingathi nguwe lo wakho ngicela ba uThixo nguwe, you know, and I really believe in that, Roman, because at the end of the day, if when I'm now uThixo pakuwe ngaphakathi, izinto zakho don't get to succeed. So awuzobana faith kuwo, uzobona ngidlula 7 years, uzobona ngidlula 15 years uyenze into uzotyhafa, you know. Baninzi abantu kule field endikuyo abatyhafileyo, but I'm still going. Even nethiza yami esikolweni uMr Mabuyi wayibuza abantu eklasini bani sabazindoni ebomini xa ifika kum wathi mandiyime mna wadluloyo because he definitely and I feel like zange bandityhafisa nabantu bamtyani like they really fucks with this shit because at the end of the day like ile mpilo siyiphilayo and zezinto sesifuna uzilungisa nakwicommunity yethu. So that is part of why now when you talk about Toto Stulo next to me, because at the end of the day, we have the similar goals and also similar responsibilities, you know. So faith in the Fumene with church basically can but was it's a spirit. Like I wouldn't lie about anything. It's a spirit can from God. In this thing, can any question is me?
I think you answered pretty much. What was why did you take that decision and what keeps you going, basically? Okay. Yeah. That's very sweet.
Okay, cool. Like I was learning, like as in duties, studies. You know, I'm not into politics, you know. But like it's a must. I feel like it's a must. Topic like age, but isn't in those food. We need to know these certain things, especially as people who wanna support Lenduzanai Roman, because Lenduzanai, like I feel like you have those type of policies that is not singaxola if unophatha umuntu okwazi ukucika ehlobo nokwazi ukuyithisha ehlobo yabo as a youth yabo. So basically khona lokuthiwa i-community representation yabo. I want you to give words, I want you to take people through the process ba intoni onoyithetha ebantwini Roman okanye basically intoni onoyixelela abantu enokwenza uba babelieve uba xa ufumene nyhani esihlalo you actually gonna take i-complaints zabantu nezinto efuneka zitshintshile apha ekuhlaleni uzenze priority zide ziqhubekeke. We know mostly when it comes to community representation, you need to represent your community in a right way. You need to uzithathe kuwathi ezo complaints so we don't know it for people to really trust you that you're really gonna do that in a right way.
And okokuqala when you're an independent man, usually bakho la ngithi awuzokwazi usebenza if you win as an independent, you'll be frustrated, the council bazawuthi delay processes, izinto zawuzakade kuwadi yakho yabo. We all know ezanto zihamba zezanto kuthiwa zii-politics eziyawo yabo, asikwazi ukuyiphikisa i-existence yazo yabo. But that's where being young comes in. We need to question as a cultures eziya. We cannot make a norm into yoba umuntu xa engekho affiliated with a certain party or faction loo nto leyo isafarisise abantu. I-democracy, it's demos kratos, it's people's governments okanye people shall govern. So i-democracy should be about abantu should be at kwifront yengqondo yeyiphi na engukheli. Uyandiva mntakwethu. So sawusebenzisa ilanguage yaseSnappart ayobhekela okanye ibobubele uba bekanti sizawufumana inkonzo nokuba sibekanti siphantsi kwemphi na umbutho okanye phantsi kwelawulo likabani na. if we first understand that we deserve ezi zinto, then there are many ways to get ezi zinto sizideservayo. There are many ways to expose abantu who use politics to delay progress okanye ilenuka who use ilenuka politics for ubulala policies. Apha South Africa sigovernishwa i-constitution mnakwethu. Kube kwi-bylaws zikamasipala, ii-policies zoomasipala, uyabo, kube kwinto kuthiwa i-IDP, Integrated Development Plan. Leyana iplan mnakwethu iqulunqe zonke izidingo zeewadi ngeewadi kumasipala, zithathwa kwezaa zidingo eziyana ziconnectwe neeplani ezenziwayo. Okay, ngexesha elithile, this is how we will improve infrastructure. Ngexesha elithile, this is how we will improve i-local economy. So kukho izicwangciso ezikhoyo kakade ezibhaliweyo mnakwethu that the municipality just needs to obligate to, okanye umasipala yena funeka ezilandele. So having an independent councillor njengam means having someone ongayovoice esuka ngaphakathi ezonixelela uba kuzawukwenzeka ntoni, but rather ivoice esuka kuni ethi this is urgent ukuthi, uyabo. So it means my priorities zenu okanye my bosses are abantu, uyabo, because I'm for the people. I might be standing as an independent, but I will not be governing as an individual, uyabo. So it means izikhalazo okanye izinto mna endizimelayo, like ivoice yam yabantu, uyabo. So it means izikhalazo zabantu kanyanzeleka ziye ngam, uyabo. And then mntakwethu we ensure ukuba le nto lena zenzeka njani izinto endizifunayo by following eza procedures eziya, by working around by making sure that we align with the IDP, making sure that what we want is aligned with the policies of Gamaspa, so there's no flaws in paperwork. And then go, this is the second thing that we need to do. A community that is conscious, okanye umphakathi onolwazi akukho lula ubacinzeleke. Zikhona indawo okanye amaziko that offer ukufundisa umphakathi about democracy, ukufundisa umphakathi about amalungelo wawo, how to make umasipala account xa kukwingxaki. Ii-communities ezininzi around South Africa have done that. Zimthatha umasipala zimse court ngeendaba zamanzi, ngezinto ze-poor infrastructure. It can be done kwicala lobu-citizen. Zininzi civil societies. So for me, I think if we can become a civil society that understands our civil rights and our civil duties or our civic duties, it will not be easy for uba sicinezeleke. It will not be easy for uba kubekho rift between councillor or independent and the community ngoba umuntu akuvalwe itap ye-services ngelithi kufuneka ucouncillor abonakale ngathi uyafeyila, because i-community izabe yazi uba ngemini ethile sihambele sayomamela uba i-budget ithini for allocate for the scenario park. So this is what we expect. Siyayazi, all I'm saying is akekho umntu onokubambezela une-information. Yes. I intend to govern ngendlela that will empower abantu ukuba babe informed, abantu babe capacitated, and then ke ngoku into endizawuhlala kuyo will be holding institutions accountable nge-constitution ngezi zinto bendizibhala. I don't have to go there ndiyokwakha ubuhlobo because konakala phaya. I'm not here to build a political career. Andihlalanga phaya ekhaya ndathi ndiziva ndiyi-politician. Ndine-degree yam ye-extension, agriculture extension. That is, if evuselele apha kum esa spirit se-community development okanye rural development, however you can call it. And endifundisileyo how to go about it, how to go about the official ways to ensure that i-community ingadevelop, uyabo. So xa ndithetha ngale nto ndithetha ngento endiyaziyo uba ingenzeka without being affiliated to a party. Into eyenzekayo kwi-council le nto yoba okay you have to vote for uba ii-bills ziphaswe and what not. Xa ke ngoku sithetha ngalo nto sithetha ngee-alliances, wena uzawuthini uzawuwedwa. I'm telling you, politicians are always forming and breaking alliances. There's no way we will not be able to form alliances with the right people. The right people who abazawuyazi uba ukhanya xa ethetha uthethela i-scenario park. If I want mna nokhanya to align, I need to know that I'm also offering something for Scenery Park. Now same thing is but when I support a certain group or a certain organization, I support a because it will also be beneficial for Scenery Park. So it's about putting Scenery Park first. It needs the Scenery Park. So that cannot be achieved if Scenery Park, a chairperson in Scenery Park or the person who's in Scenery Park comes from another organization or represents another organization and not the community, but I oversee an organization in the community. And we need someone who represents the community, someone who speaks for the community. So
positive representation.
So I don't want in the public representation to be in the it needs to be their opinions there at proper press class. My duty is to consolidate zonke izinto abazithethayo zibe idocument eformal evakalayo qha ndiyithumele kwamasanga angawo. Ndizawuqinisekisa kanjani okanye abantu bazawuqinisekisa kanjani uba le nto ndithuliweyo ndizawuyenza. That's where ke ngoku they kwi-capacitation yethu they learn uba ukhansila umbamba njani accountable. I-follow up xa kufakwe i-complaint kwamasipala, whether it's about infrastructure or service delivery, ukansila wenza njani? How do we know that ukansila ulogile la complaint? How can we log those complaints even ourselves? Singamxabisa ukansila if there is an app kwamasipala we can actually do ezo zinto zinjalo. So people send that governments wena mntakwethu. So it will not be about me, it will not be about what I can do, but it will be about what we as a community can do. Kufundiwe apha mntakwethu. There are people who want to implement this in the community, who want to ufakisana, but they do not want to be involved with politics. They do not want to be involved with party politics, but they want development. Those people are already, some of them are already in the movement. They are already assisting in putting this campaign. So I don't have to know everything. I'm a curious person. I know those names. Most people who know me will tell you. But I know that I don't have to know everything. I don't have to pay specialty, send all the older part. If I can get abanu abazizindo in the room mntakwethu, siphefumlelane ngomoya omnye, ayikho into nongaphambi kwethu.
So I think it's about basically if tani kukumbela ndiyenza yabo summarize, like it's not exactly about your voice, it's about your voice. Collective voice. Yes. Okay. I think it's your turn.
Yeah, bro. Okay, I want us to talk about Scenery Park.
Yes.
Most people Scenery Park, but most people when they talk about Scenery Park, mostly they talk about leaving Scenery Park. And people will say, hey, risky. Scenery Park. Is it because ustak okanye ikona into oyibonayo that Scenery Park can become? I know but I want to understand Scenery Park. What does Scenery Park mean to you? Scenery Park.
To be honest, I think I'll be really honest with this one, because at the end of the day, like, until I'm Scenery Park, I go and sit in front of Scenery Park. You know, I never had that type of mentality even from the start. Because I've also read your article where you were saying, like you've been representing Scenery Park even since you were a rap. You know, I've never been that type of a rap but from Scenery Park and those artists are artists like Mahe and Hani, which is those artists. And you like when it comes to hip hop, like you came even before also. And I respect that, by the way. So
it was that.
Also, basically, but it was always about East London, boom, that's why I said, because it was always about East London, not just the Scenery Park.
Something big.
You know, even now, I do have fans, like people who support this shit, like abakwindawo endingazange ndaya kuzo noya kuzo, like basically mhlawumbi koomakurumani, Northwest, yabo, Northern Cape, Cape Town, you know. I've never been there, but there are people who are willing to help, and they've been like kudala bebekhona njani, yabo, people who are saying no, come this side, no, eat, but I always believe klabe yoba izinto zenzeka ngexesha lazo, you know. Andingomntu nami ophonde here aman ndifuna uphelela eSnail Park, but I know what I understand about eSnail Park is that home is home, and noba ndingayaphi tyani, yabo, sizawuhlala ndibuyela ngapha because ikhaya lam lilapha, yabo. So le nto ndiqonda nam ndiyayisupport movement yakho is like, excuse me ngofaka i-movement yakho or else ubuza mna question, but yangena nayo, yabo. Andifuna ube ngathi ndibhayisikele ebantwini, but iveske yazingenele, yabo. So it's like when it comes to your movement, Roman, iwe ndincanywayo ne, it's like ukulani uba njengoba abantwana bakho bekhula, as I know you do have kids, yabo, njengoba abantwana bakho bekhula ingase bakhulele on a different environment, even if it's the same environment, but things should be different. Yabo, ilide yethu funeka ibe different, things should be done differently, yabo. Sibe nayo inkathalo ngendawo ehlala kuyo, ungahlali kwindawo engathi uzawuhamba ngomso, yabo, kana sayishiya anyway le ndawo, yabo. So ndikhule ndakhula nami kule ndawo, ndabona uba okay, regardless of me saying uba okay ndizayiphakamela le ndawo because ndifuna uye Joburg or ndifuna uye Cape Town, no man, charity begins at home. So I might as well start this shit at home, you know. Now indicate ipeace le ndawo ukwazi ukwenza lo mculo exactly ndifuna ukwenza. I feel like if ndandie Joburg like 7 years ago or 8 years ago, I wouldn't have been this person that I am. Ndicinge hlobo ndicinga ngalo ngoku, yabo, else ndifikelele nakwipoint yoba we can make a change kwindawo esikuyo, which is if ndiyakwazi ucingela lo hlobo ngeSnail Park kwenye indawo enzayo icine big ilo, but isaqhubekele akho ncama siqhubekele, yabo. So basically ndiye ndakholelwa nam Klopman uba if you are living in a place enjena edinga i-development kangaka, yayiva, nawe zilopha kulaa ndawo ungayidevelopha laa ndawo, yayiva, and you need nabanye abantu bakuncedisa uyidevelophe laa ndawo, which is now if I move from eSnail Park ndiye kwenye township noba yiphi na, noba ndafika eSoweto kukho into engalungisekanga, I'll have the power to change that kind of a situation because sendingumntu kakade oyi-renegade, sendingumntu kakade obeliever kwi-skills zakhe nelantuka nee-capabilities zakhe.
Answer yakho sana. Answer yakho.
So basically and ndiyavuya unibuze lo question because kwalo question is solid, so I might as well come up with a solid answer. And your question endifuna uyibuza na Roman, because I feel like it's really important for people to know ilita yabo, you know, even though you don't want them to. Again, but like it's like other people would like to join because babona umsebenzi omhle bahope ba nezabo indawo singaba nayo influence from eSnail Park. Awubona enye place igrand pha uyabuzwa ngubani owenze lento hlobo, you know, nami xa polish ingoma yami kuyabuzwa ngubani producer, and then I point that producer, and then la producer yakhula. Okay, because those people will want to concern themselves with that type of a producer in order to learn something. So in order for iRoadman naye, iRoadman nezumzekelo ikwazi ufundisa abanye abantu or inikeze information kwabanye abantu, those people have to feel like bayazi iRoadman. So I feel like at this point I want to ask this question of like, ebekhona unyaka kuRoadman la nyaka una 15 kuye, just to take people back. Uye waluza pha umama wakho, waluza nomakhulu wakho, you know, you lost your grandmother and your mother within the same year. But to tell kwi-article yakho like yonke laa nto instead of bayibreak, yabo, build up to a point that you got to learn resilience. Yabo, so can you please take us through that process?
So that was January, then fast forward April, beginning of April, kwalandela holiday yabo. So na 15 holiday wam na akumdala kakhulu, uyabona una 32, 33.
Yeah.
So you can imagine the trauma, and I'm doing grade 10. yabo mfethu andifuna ucoba sistep okanye itshengo yitshintshe enkulu le ebomini
Yes.
ebomini yabo andinqondi yabo but
Yes.
you also learn and you grow from the experiences ezinjeya
Yeah.
because from then I always knew that I need to be responsible for isiqu sami. I had my aunt mntakwethu yabo ndikuthando nesupport ngendlela akwazi ngayo but xa ungenabazali awunabazali ke mfethu you are on your own yabo.
Yeah.
Andifuna ukuthi I was on my own and then kubekho umntu uzawuoffendeka but I was on my own. I had to learn uba ii-decisions endizenzayo funeka ndiphinde ndiziphendulele ngokwam. So I've always been that person. Into andingeni ndingayazi uba ndizazikhupha njani mntakwethu uyabo and funeka ndiqiniseke uba ndizawungena entweni uyabo. From there mntakwethu izinto ezizayo mazika-life asoze ziyitopishele yabo zifikele endodeni zonke. So I think from that experience ndiye ndomelele mntakwethu yeah. Bro, since now undibuza ngelosi yami,
Yes.
in your music you always talk about you always speak about loss, you always speak about people you've lost. You've spoken about your brother and your mother and your father, and I've engaged you who's okay personally Italian,
Yes.
but recently you had a song ethi Saluka.
Yes.
I listened to that song. Hey, Dango. It's so real, bruh. Ungabe ngidisappoint ngicabana base bese yabo bra ireal nango mayabo ngithathe inhliziyo yami yabo bra because there you are speaking about your friend intanga yakho who had mental health issues.
Yes.
Issues zakhe utriggered ngumjolo uyabo, and I could relate mfethu yabo because I'm mfethu anginoxoka le generation yethu how umjolo uyaswanza this uyabo uyaswanza this especially thina ibras yabo and izabantu abangakwazi uziexpressa. I-mental health is affecta kakhulu and akho attention eninzi based emadodeni in terms of mental health sesithi ne-perpetuators ke ngoku mntakwethu ze-GBV. So I want you to tell me more about that situation.
Yes.
How it played out and when I affected njani mntakwethu. And also if you can divulge because ke ndingumntu walapha eScenery Park, if like I'd like to know ngubani uSaluka yabo. I'm curious mntakwethu njengefan man yabo.
To be honest, like it's based on a true story. Yabo. Saluka lona. Like I've talked, it's called as if we only making them or creating them for people to relate. But it's like on this one, it's a real story. And again, I didn't know about this was later, Roman, you know. But it's like in mental health issues, in mental health, like in South Africa, Roman. So and then I got alone, but yes. And drop the number, most people were being affected by mental health, especially men, you know. So this situation happened last year. There's one of my homies called, you know. So basically, I touched Bumbake last year, and that shit affected me because it's like we had a conflict before Mchita to Bumbake. We really had a conflict, like a huge conflict, Romani. I decided, but no, I'm not gonna try to engage or the lose you know. And then it was because we had to spend a day in Bona and then by extended I'm feeling the house because let's chill, let's spoil, and there's somebody who didn't trust that nigga anymore. I was on some extent, at least this single day, and then I'm off. And also, basically, ngomntu osolileyo lamjita uthatha kwakhe la decision enjeyana because ekugqibeleni it's like except mfethu like ndinganengxaki nawe as my brother, you know, but ayitsho loo nto uba xa ndisukile ebomini bakho or xa ufile ngathi wedwa like take this type of decisions, but if you can hear that song, ndiyamjaja lamjita phayi. And I feel angry at him by saying Tatele decision. But in no sense of money, starting from last month, you know, like a perspective, I change when it comes to about decision. I'm not saying it's cool or Tati decision, but you cannot judge yabo umuntu othathe i-decision enjeyana. Not that ndiyazisola ngento ndithethe kulaa track kuba ndiyamjaja, but it's like now I know how it feels to try to take your life, because I've thought of that shit too many times, no man, yabo. I've been through such situations engenosibalisa kwalapha. Ngenye imini or kwenye video or anytime soon, whenever I feel like mabaxelela abantu nam, yabo, there's so many dark temptations ezithile, yabo, even though ndingazange ndibophe intambo, but I've tried to do
one thing. I-youth kudala imecaleni, i-statistics ziyachaza kwi-last elections apha noba about 40 or 20% I'm sure we-youth participate actively ayovota, and that's a problem for me because when we are overlooked because budget kuthiwa kaloku i-youth andibonakali ezintweni. I've attended meetings apha, ndihambile ndacela ii-sponsors apha kwi-offices zalapha. Hayi kaloku i-youth asiyazi nina uba likhona, uba i-youth ikhona, i-youth ekhethwe mhlawumbi ngoomama abathile okanye ngootata abathile abakwi-political organizations ezawuseva as ii-puppets zabo okanye ezawuseva as i-voice yabo isigqibele thina kungenziwa le nto siyifunayo, yabo. So I'm also encouraging i-youth voice by participating, and I believe ukuba izawuachiveka leyo. So it means nokuba mna i-office andinoyifumana, but I will achieve eyona goal yam, into yoba i-voice yabantu abatsha apha eScenery Park ivakale kwaye ibe yi-deciding factor nayo kwizigqibo ezizawuthathwa ukubheka phambili. Kweza tafile kuthathwa kuzo izigqibo ndizawuphinda nditsho masinganeli ukuba sibe kanti sikhona kulaa magumbi sithunywa amanzi simane siphakamisa izitulo okanye siyosuggesta mayibe sithi abathatha izigqibo ngoba ikamva lelethu and ikamva lifikile, alizi ikamva lifikile. Ndicinga ngqibelelo nakwethu,
Ndiyakuva futhi uvakele Roman yam. I think nabantu ababukeleyo currently, like they've definitely learned something from this. Abanye bafumene ne-information yoba, cause nyani, that's the first question people will ask about why you can't tell them about why I feel like very clearly, and like I feel like now when you feeling but like outside of music you've always wanted to share information about thoughts of and quotes, and I feel like on this video alone, like abantu sebenayo idea about kanjani ungumntonjani, you know what I'm saying. So I feel like, so to say later on, because outside music we feel like we can share much information in Malawi. And also, isn't that the title? Outside music, we've always wanted to share information. That's the title. That's the title. So ndifuna ukuthi enkosi mkhulu man ngomnika ixesha, enkosi mkhulu ngoba brave enough to say ufuna uba ivoice yakule ndawo ukhulele kuyo now, you know. And Grootman, I wish you well on your journey, and our journey yakho wedwa nami yami journey, so I'll keep supporting this journey. So now izinto zindihambele kahle because izandla ziyahlamba naRomani, and ilewe isangithetha uba the more iScenery Park kusenzeka into ezinhle kuyo neDice ngafunda something as well as nezinye indawo, you know. So I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate nembeko onike yona izinto omdala, because I don't want to lie, Roman, nakule nto yerap into ezifana nentlonipho sizifunde kuni. Also, I really appreciate that. So mna andisupport movement qha. So I really also
still remember that one where speak about Islam. That second verse.
When I read the article,
inkathalo kunye nenhlakanipho, uqiqa ngengqondo nohlala lihlolele isiko, uphila ngomthetho, ndiwufumene kuwe kasi, ungabi nanzondo, uthando ushushu lezigazi, nokuphila. But those values are values I got from you.